DoubleTree, Hotel Plaza Boulevard.
Is this Disney hotel a disaster?
Stayed in 36 hotels. And this is the one. See those glass windows up there? Those floors are just blistering hot when you come out of the elevator.
It was so hot. I couldn't believe that design. Those windows just make it so hot right there. I hide my face because I don't want the hotels to know who I am. I don't want any favors. I want to get the same room you're going to get. I work for you.
Corporate-like, older, thin walls, and TVs didn't work. Just the pool was small, and this one had the broken hot tub jets. Yeah.
Okay, so it was pretty expensive, especially if you had breakfast. The shuttle was really good. You have it every hour. Coming in has a gate, which was nice. The guys at the front were awesome. And then coming inside, I thought it was going to be a winner for sure. Got on the elevator and came out. It was so hot. The hallway was fine. The doors were nice. Coming into the room, you know, some of it was updated and some of it was dated. It just seemed like the style, the decor was a little old. That door was so thin, I heard that kid crying all night in there. Pretty big room though. No sofa beds are good at any hotel. They're just not comfortable. No, this was not comfortable. The other bed was fine, it was nice. It was nice being a suite, 2 rooms. I had a small fridge, little sink, standard coffee. The bathroom was okay. It didn't have a slow close toilet. The shower, the water pressure was obviously fine. It looked kind of cool, but these dings, they were just gouges in the tub. There was 4 of them. It makes no sense. TV, the remotes did not work. Neither one of them. There's 2 TVs. It was old school digital. It wasn't the greatest. I broke my thumb. Wi-Fi was slow. Outlets, it did not have a ton beside the bed, but there was plenty in the suite. The exercise room was okay. It had nice dumbbells, but no machines, no universal, no legs. Everybody's against legs. I don't know why. The pool, well, it was kind of a small deck, kind of a small pool, and the hot tub didn't work. Inside bar was okay. The breakfast was fine. It cost money though. It's $15 to $25 per person. 4 people, that's going to add a cost every night. Had some ice. Hallway was kind of weird. The laundry was really kind of nice, actually. Those were nice machines. Overall average, I gave it a 7.2. This is just some bonus footage. Had tennis courts out there, but they were dated. They were not well kept. They weren't great. And then back there was a gas station. It was an okay property. Not my favorite. Not for that price. This is one of the 4 of the 36 hotels I've stayed at that I'm just not coming back to.
It's a DoubleTree.
Sorry.
Hotel Plaza Boulevard. It's one of the ones I will not be returning to. Stayed in 36 hotels.
Sorry, DoubleTree Disney Springs. I'm just not coming back. Not at that price.
Stop guessing. Don't book the wrong hotel. DDadBudget.com.